So the first step, you want to go to TikTok and you want to go to the search bar and type in there. Then just go to this website right here and paste your link in here. Now hop over to Google and you want to search for, and just by doing that you can see that people are already getting paid $5, $6, $7, and this person right here got paid almost $24 right here, as you can see today at 5:05 a.m. just for doing this exact same thing. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly this same method that you can use yourself to get paid money just by watching TikTok. Now using this method you can make anywhere between $5 to $24 per one single video. Now if you're going to do math on that real quick, you can see you can get paid $24 per one single video, and if you're going to do that, for example, for 5 videos, you can get paid $120 in a single day just by doing this method. So make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I will show you exactly step-by-step process how to set this method up yourself, and I'm going to give you this one powerful website that is going to make this entire method possible. So right after watching this video, you can go ahead, hop on TikTok and get paid money watching those videos too. Now this is going to require zero investment, zero skills or experience. All you need is just your laptop, internet connection, and a couple of minutes of your time. And also an important part of this method is to make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm. So with all that being said, let's just get started. Okay guys, so to actually get paid watching random TikTok videos, what you need to do is basically a 3-step process. First of all, you want to go to TikTok and you want to search for something that's going to be incredibly viral. And if you're going to scroll through some of these, you can see that hundreds of thousands views per video is pretty much the standard norm. Some of these are getting 7.6 million, 11.8 million right here. So you can see that these videos on TikTok have incredible high chance of getting viral. And as you can see, they are displaying something to do with car crash. Now if you're going to be this method the exact same way that I'm going to show you, what you want to do is search TikTok for some niche of viral videos that you can very easily find. Now I've been testing this method just for a couple of days now and I don't have any solid results yet, but from previous experiences, car crash videos or something in that niche is going to be doing incredibly well. But if you don't know what to actually look for on TikTok, what you can do is hop on Google and you want to search for what is the most viral niche on TikTok. You just hit search on that, and what you want to do is scout through a bunch of these websites that's going to give you some ideas what to look for on TikTok. So for example, if I'm going to go to, let's say, this one right here, you can see you get pretty good ideas what to search for on TikTok. For example, like funny dances, quick dinner videos, some dark comedy, or something like realistic drawing, or pretty much anything that's very easy to watch. And if you've been on social media for some time, you know once you open that phone mobile and fire up your TikTok app, you can spend literally hours on there watching random videos. So what you want to look for is something that you would probably watch yourself and it's going to have a high amount of views. For example, like this one right here, it's going to be working very well for others. I was testing this method out with this car crash niche, so I'm going to show you how to do that with those same videos. So pretty much I'm going to pick one of these videos that I want to go with that's going to have a very clickbaity thumbnail. So for example, something like POV from a dash cam or something like that could work very well. And just by scrolling for a couple of seconds, I was able to stumble upon, for example, this one right here that's showing a BMW car crash. I'm going to use exactly this same video to show you how this method works. And as you can see, this video got over 6.2 million views on TikTok, and I actually have seen this one on Instagram before, so I know it's going to be working very well. Pretty much what you want to do is open this video app. You can also pause it because you don't want to be watching it on TikTok. What you want to actually do is go to this right section and you want to look for exactly this line where it's going to display the link to the TikTok. What you want to do then is just copy this link, because we are going to be actually reposting it somewhere else to make money with it. But pretty much just by watching this video and wanting to show it to others, you can make a lot of money doing this. So what you want to do is copy this link and you want to go to this website right here, the name of which I'm going to give you at the end of this video, because I want only people who are going to watch this video from beginning to end to do this method so it doesn't get saturated real quick. So what you want to do on this website is just pretty much sign up using your Google account, and then once you're going to log into your dashboard, you can pretty much just paste your link in here just like that. And all you need to do now is just make sure you're going to pick an alias for it. So for example, I'm going to go back to TikTok and I'm going to grab something from the video itself. So I'm going with this BMW crash recording of a police car. I'm going to salvage something from that and use it as an alias. So let's go for example with BMW police crash or something like that. Then just click on shorten and you're going to get this custom link to the TikTok video, which is going to be probably blurred partially right now because I don't want to give up the name of the website too soon. But what you want to do is pretty much just copy this link, and every time somebody's going to click on this link and want to watch this video, for every visitor you will get paid small amount of money. But because these videos are being watched by literally millions of people, you can get a lot of money just for one single video if you know the right traffic source for it, and to actually get tons of clicks to your shortened link embedded with this video, what I highly recommend is that you go to Google and you're going to search for Pinterest. Just hit search on that, and pretty much if you know Pinterest and you do have an account already, completely forget about that account. What you want to do is go to Pinterest and you want to sign up for a new account. What I highly recommend that you do, and what I did myself but I don't have results on it yet because I've been doing it for just 2 days, is you create a brand new account dedicated to the types of videos that you're going to be getting from TikTok. So for example, if you're going to be doing this for this car crash niche on TikTok, you want to create a Pinterest account dedicated to showing car crash videos. If you're going to be doing this, for example, for these short recipe videos, what you want to do is create Pinterest account dedicated to these short recipes, because that way, if you're going to do this for multiple videos per day, soon you will have a large following of people watching your videos, and for every single one of those that will want to see this, you're going to get paid. So without spilling any details on my brand new accounts and how this method is going so far, I'm going to show you how to do this on my trusty old Pinterest account. What you want to do is just click on create, and you want to create a brand new pin, and all you have to do is just post something from the video. So what you want to do is go back to TikTok and you want to search for the video that you have used, and in my case it was this one. So I'm just going to open it up and pause it, and what I want to do is take a screenshot of this video. I don't want to download this video, I don't want to steal it from anybody. What I'm going to do is just take a simple screenshot of this video just like this, then just hop over to Canva real quick, and what you want to search for is TikTok video, select that template and pretty much go with the blank template, because we are going to be using the screenshot that we have just took to create a video. So just pretty much paste it to your Canva template and go ahead and stretch it all across as you would usually. And what you want to do is go to this playhead section right here, and you want to position the playhead to at least 1 or 2 seconds just like that. Then just right click and split the page. What you want to do on this second part is pretty much you want to select it, and even though it's going to be a still image, it's going to be acting as a video now, and that's exactly what you want to do. But first you want to go to the elements and search for red arrow. Search for red arrow and pick one that you want to go with, and what I highly recommend is that you use one of these free templates. But if you've got Canva Pro or if you're paying for Canva, you can use literally every single one of these. But for this video, because I want to show you how to do this completely for free with zero investment, I'm just going to pick one of these free templates. For example, like this one right here. I'm just going to position it to the canvas, and now gotta rotate it. And what you want to do is position it in a way that it's going to be pointing to this left bottom corner, such as something like that. Then I'm going to stretch it all across this image, something like this. Okay. Then just go ahead and place a text box right above the arrow and type in there, watch full video here. Then what I'm going to do is go back to the elements, and I'm going to look for this square shape. I'm just going to position it right over the text, stretch it so it's going to fit the text, so it's going to be a little bit more visible. Then I'm just going to change its color to, let's say, black, so it's going to fit with this text above it. And this is pretty much all you need to do on Canva. Then just go to the share button and download this, and you want to download it as a MP4 video. Just make sure that option is selected, and then you want to click on download. And once you download the video, what you want to do is hop back to Pinterest, and now you want to post it as a pin. And then pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and type in the creative title, something like BMW crashes into police car in this case, but pretty much you want to create a clickbaity title that's going to make this pin interesting to whoever's going to be want to watching it. Then, what important part, what you want to do is go to this description, and you want to type in there original credit on TikTok, and make sure you're going to copy and paste the name of the original poster on TikTok. That way you will not get into any trouble, and if you're going to add the @ before their name, you will even help to get their traffic to their TikTok. Then in the description, what you want to also write is something like human verification may be required, please complete the CAPTCHA to continue to the video. This is very important, and I'm going to show you why in just a couple of seconds. But now what you want to do is go back to your secret website, which I'm going to reveal in just a couple of seconds, guys, so just stay tuned for that. Then just copy this shortened link and go back to Pinterest and paste it in the destination link. Something like that. And in this hashtag section, you want to post a couple of hashtags relating to whatever is in your video. Pretty much this is all you need to do on Pinterest, and you can see right here that you can publish this at a later date. What you want to do, for example, is go to TikTok and find a bunch of these videos. I don't know, like 5, 7, 8 or 10 of these videos, how many you want to go with, save their links, save their screenshots, do this exact same process, then just schedule them to Pinterest to be posted at a later date. For example, schedule like 5 pins to be posted every single day, and that way in no time you will get thousands of views to your videos and thousands of clicks to your link. Then just publish this pin, and now every time somebody is going to want to watch it, they will click on the link that you have shortened, they will be taken to this website, they will be asked to complete this CAPTCHA to proceed to the destination page. They will of course fill it because they want to see the video, and after a couple of seconds their link will be ready. They will click on get link and they will be taken to the TikTok video, but in the meantime you will be making money. Now pretty much the website that you need to use for this method is called shrinkme.io. Just go to shrinkme.io, sign up for your account, and as you can see right here, this is the highest paying URL shortener, and you can get paid over $220 for every 10,000 views. Now getting 10,000 views may not seem like an easy task, but if you're going to check these TikTok videos, some of them are getting incredible amounts of views. For example, this one has 92.6 million, which is incredible, but if you're going to check our video that we have used in this method, it's got 6.2 million views, and if you're going to divide 6.2 million views by 100, you will get 1% of that, and that means if you get only 1% of the viewership that your video has on TikTok, and if you get 62,000 views to your posted video on Pinterest, you can see pretty much where I'm going with this. So just go ahead, sign up to shrinkme.io, go to TikTok, grab yourself a bunch of videos, repost them to Pinterest under new account, and in the worst case scenario, even if you get paid like $5 for every video that you're going to repost, it's going to take you literally just a couple of minutes. So doing this multiple times per day is going to make a pretty nice payout. Now this is just one of the free methods that you can use to make a couple of dollars per day just by doing this, and if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using myself to make around $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using this YouTube channel or any of my social media, and getting results just like this, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you, and I hope to see you there. Other than that, to see more free money making videos, just check out one of these two that are popping on the screen just about now. Decide which one you like the most, and I'm going to see you there.